I'm not sure what the best way to show this is, so I'm just going to start here. This is my yellow science area, and I'm using it as a test bed for my rail goods request system. So I'm just going to pop up to here to where goods are supplied. So this is where incoming trains come in. You can see a train unloading some copper. There's a train heading out, and here we've got some trains waiting to unload. So there's several trains loaded with coal. There are some trains loaded with iron. They're all waiting to unload. They'll be authorized into the unloading area once the amount of raw material buffered falls below a certain level. But the interesting bit here is what happens when the train leaves the unloading area. So I'm going to zoom in on this, and there's this fun little thing here, and what happens is this: the train comes in and it's loaded with a single piece of raw materials, and then it heads out. I wonder if we can keep up with it. Not with this Spidertron, I don't think. There it is. So now it's going to head all the way into here. It goes into this little system here. And now it stops at each of these stations, and when it finds a station that contains the stuff it wants, loads it up. As soon as it's loaded up, it has to load up rather accurately. Otherwise, you get materials left in the inserter hand. So now it's going to head out again. It's going to go back to the yellow science area. I'm taking a bit of a shortcut. There it is. It's that one there. Come back down to here and unload. And this is where it gets fun. So here we've got some that are unloading iron. They're going to come down here, and each one of them is going to get loaded up by something that's in this chest. As soon as this chest is empty, it's going to recalculate what is needed. In this case, it's worked out that we actually need slightly more iron than copper, and that we actually need a little bit of coal. So coal is being unloaded, but it's also, each time a train comes in, it's going to load it with something that's in this chest. So basically the way it works is we calculate the proportions of raw materials needed. That is then reduced to an empirical quantity that is loaded into this chest. And then this chest is unloaded one by one into departing trains, and that tells them what to load up with, which effectively means that the amount of raw materials delivered are kept balanced, or, I mean, they're kept fairly balanced. You still have to use quite a lot of buffering, because there is more adjusting that could be done. I could actually adjust it better to match the proportions. It's actually fairly approximate at the moment. And then each time this chest is emptied, it will recalculate the amount that's needed, and it will load it into there. And that's that, really.